Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll talk about a company in the forex industry that is considered the king of the market. This company generates income at a huge level through forex trading and shares all profits with you. So, keep watching this video till the end. We are talking about FedEx and its official website is www.fedx.info where you can gather a lot of information. Let's first talk about it in detail. FedEx is a leading forex trading company that is fully dedicated to providing seamless, secure, and efficient trading solutions. Along with this, they offer 24/7 customer support. When we talk about forex trading, it involves buying and selling currency pairs like the US dollar, euro, pound, ETS, mission and vision. The mission and vision of FedEx is to provide competitive premium quality service and deliver trusted and innovative forex trading solutions. Why trade forex with FEDX? High liquidity, huge leverage opportunities available on both web and mobile platforms. Works in both bullish and bearish markets. Now let's look at the management team. Mr. Robert Koch is the CEO. Vincent Tan is the Chief Financial Officer. Jeffrey is the General Manager. Let's talk about the business plan. The joining package is $75. Types of income include sharing income, ranking income, and reward income. In sharing income, when you invest $75, you get $50 income in just 10 days. Let's understand the sharing profit table. Cycle 1. The investment is $75 and you earn $150 in 10 days. From this, $75 will be auto re-top up. Cycle 2. In the next 15 days, investment is $75. You get $150 again with the auto re-top up of $75. Cycle 3. In 20 days, investment is $75. You earn $150 again with auto re-top up of $75. Cycle 4. In 25 days, investment is $75. You get $150 and auto re-top up will be $75. Cycle 5. In 30 days, investment is $75. You get $150 and auto trading bot will be $75. Complete one left and one right distributor ID and you will become a bronze hero. You will earn $150 and $25 per week for 6 weeks, or you can choose a mobile phone as a gift. Silver Hero. Complete 3 left and 3 right. Bronze Heroes to become a Silver Hero. You will earn $300 and $50 per week for 6 weeks, or a laptop as a gift. Golden Knight. Complete 3 left and 3 right Silver Heroes to become a Golden Knight. You will earn $600 and $100 per week for 6 weeks, or an electric scooter as a gift. Platinum Champion. Complete 5 left and 5 right Golden Knights. To become a Platinum Champion, you will earn $1,800 and $300 per week for 6 weeks, or a Royal Enfield Bullet as a gift. Diamond Hero. Complete 5 left and 5 right Platinum Champions. To become a Diamond Hero, you will earn $5,400 and $900 per week for 6 weeks, or a Maruti wagon as a gift. Legendary Warrior. Complete 5 left and 5 right. Diamond Heroes to become a Legendary Warrior. You will earn $16,200 and $2,700 per week for 6 weeks, or a Hyundai Creta as a gift. Epic Achiever. Complete 5 left and 5 right. Legendary Warriors to become an Epic Achiever. You will earn $48,600 and $8,100 per week, or a big home as a gift. Mythic Achiever. Complete 5 left and 5 right. Legendary Warriors to become a Mythic Achiever. You will earn $145,800 and $24,300 per week for 6 weeks, or a dream house as a gift. Champion Achiever. Complete 10 left and 10 right. Mythic Achievers to become a Champion Achiever. You will earn $4,37,400 and $72,900 per week for 6 weeks, or a big bungalow as a gift. Ultimate Legend. Complete 10 left and 10 right champion achievers to become an ultimate legend. You will earn $13,12,200 and $2,18,700 per week for 6 weeks, or a 7-star dream house as a gift. Supreme Conqueror. Complete 10 left and 10 right. Ultimate Legend achievers to become a Supreme Conqueror. You will earn $39,036,600 and $6,056,100 per week, or a Ferrari as a gift. Rewards. For completing 50 bronze heroes on both sides, you get 10,000 rupees, equivalent to 120 US dollars. For completing 150 bronze heroes, you get $30,000, equivalent to 360 USD. For completing 450 bronze heroes, you get 1 lakh rupees, equivalent to 1,200 US dollars. The maximum reward is 10 crore rupees for completing 5,000 bronze heroes. Terms and conditions. Sign up is completely free. Minimum deposit is $75 in USDT via Web20. Minimum withdrawal is $25 in USDT via Web20. 10% charge on withdrawals. Instant withdrawal processing is in real time, within 10 seconds. Withdrawal hours 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., no holidays. 1 withdrawal is allowed per day. For more details, you can visit the official address. FEDX is a Malaysia-based company. Discuss it with the person who shared the video with you and gather more information to become a part of this system. Thank you for watching the video, friends.